This is Chris Kell with just an introductory walkthrough to our first small group training template of 2012. Now to begin with here, we have a three-phase small group training template here. All right? We've listed each phase is 4 weeks in length, and here at the top here we have the weekly schedule. We just list the start date for each week. So for example, for week 1, I would write 2/6. We would follow by week 2 each Monday. We just list them out until we get to the test deload week, in which we test our clients, we kind of see how strong they are, and then we're going to move directly to the phase 2 template. All right, the next section that we want to look at, and the first thing that we're going to do, all right, is our warm-up section. While the warm-up is thought of, as just kind of getting the body ready to work out, we want to also teach our clients movement. One revelation that I've had recently is that the best way to work on, to really reinforce proper movement is to begin with the warm-up. Really, everything that we do should revolve around the one foundation lift of the session. And with that in mind, the 4 drills that we're going to perform for warm-up do just that. All right, so we have a leg lift left, a leg lift right, a rock back, and a floor slide. These are going to be performed as a circuit, so for 30 seconds each. All right, the theme of the day, as you can see, is a squat, because that's one of the main lifts that we're going to be performing in our program. All right, once we get done with our warm-up circuit, we move directly into core training. We have 3 core exercises followed by a 4th exercise, which is a prisoner squat. Once again, the prisoner squat kind of ties together everything that we've been working on in our warm-up. And again, we're just performing each exercise for a period of 30 seconds. Moving down to our main list, we have a 1-arm dumbbell row, a sumo deadlift or a trap bar deadlift, a little more on these later on, and a 1-arm farmer carry. All right, these lifts remain the same for 4 weeks, and really what we're looking for with these is to log these workouts with our clients and try to increase them in either intensity or volume with each workout. These are really the main things that are going to drive improvements in strength and adaptions that we're looking for. And so these are things that we really want to make sure that our clients are logging and kind of hammering that home. You'll also notice that with this, I've listed a time value next to each section here. So by the time we get done with our core training and our main lifts as well as our warm-up, warm-up's about 5 minutes. We're about 25 minutes in. All right, from there, we're going into our circuits. All right, and our circuits, this is more conditioning work. All right, each exercise is going to be performed for 30 seconds back to back as a circuit. With each week, we add a round to increase the difficulty. And with this, we can see that here we start with 3 sets of these exercises. Week 2, we would add one, and then we go along as we go along. The other thing to notice here is that these represent beginner exercises, meaning these are the exercises that I'm going to give my beginners. These stay the same for 4 weeks with the idea that we want them to learn these exercises and progress. With our more advanced clients, we can incorporate variations. So for example, instead of a lateral push-up with an assisted band, the advanced option could be a Spider-Man push-up. And then the next week it could be, an inchworm push-up. These things can change just to accommodate interest and variety. The idea is that we want to keep, the pattern fairly similar. The thing with the same, idea goes for all of these things. So it does, the med ball slam for advanced clients doesn't have to remain a med ball slam. It could be, a throw into a wall. It could be a push press toss. Really just something that is similar to the slam. All right, now moving down, we kind of have 2 banks of those things, and we're going to end with our post-workout and cool down. All right, the first thing we're going to do with our clients is going to be prehab. All right, and we're just going to spend about 2 to 3 sets of 30 seconds performing mini band clams and cobras. We're then going to end the workout with just some simple stretching. And for those clients that are still in need of kind of a finisher, they need to be finished, we have an option where we have the client perform 2 to 3 sets of 60 seconds where we actually score the reps on 2 to 3 exercises that we choose. These can change every week as well. These are not things that we want to keep the same. We want to kind of give them variety here. And again, this is something that I would recommend for more advanced clients or for those that are looking for fat loss, but give them the option, present the finisher of the day, you know, and you know, just kind of let them do that once they're done. That's just kind of a little addition. But as you can see, each one of these sections kind of amounts to, you know, a 60-minute workout template. Provide beginner and advanced variations for each exercise listed under the circuits. For our beginner clients, this workout stays the same for 4 weeks, and then we move on to phase 2. In our subsequent videos, I'll walk you through the exercises for each workout in this month's workout.